If you're getting the Epic Games error code Su-Bv05, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fix step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including drive format issues, corrupted system files, memory problems, or even a launcher installation issue. The good news is that there are a few practical things you can try to get Epic Games Launcher working again without wasting hours guessing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is right-click the Epic Games Launcher and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to access your system properly, and sometimes that alone is enough to clear the error. If the launcher opens normally after that, then the problem may have just been a permissions issue. If not, keep going with the next step. Next, you need to check whether your installation drive is formatted as NTFS. This is important because the Epic Games Launcher can run into problems if the drive it's installed on is using a file system that isn't fully compatible. To check this, open File Explorer, right-click the drive where Epic Games is installed, and choose Properties. Look for the file system type. If it says NTFS, that's good. If it says something else, that may be contributing to the Su-Bv05 error. In that case, you may want to reinstall the launcher on a different internal drive that uses NTFS. Now let's move on to system diagnostics. The next thing you should do is run Windows Memory Diagnostic. This will check your RAM for any issues that could be causing installation or launcher errors in the background. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, and launch it. Choose the option to restart now and check for problems. Your PC will reboot and run a memory test automatically. If it finds any memory errors, that could explain why Epic Games is failing, and you may need to address the RAM issue before the launcher works correctly. After that, the next fix is to run a disk check using command prompt. This step helps repair file system errors and bad sectors that may be affecting the drive where Epic Games is installed. Open command prompt as an administrator. Then type chkdsk/f/r and press enter. If Windows tells you the drive is in use and asks whether you want to schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and press enter. Then restart your computer and let the scan complete fully. This can take some time, but it's worth it because disk corruption is one of the common causes of launcher errors like Su-Bv05. If you still haven't fixed the issue after that, the next step is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher on a different internal drive. Sometimes the problem is not the launcher itself, but the specific location where it's installed. Reinstalling it on another drive can help if the original drive has file system problems, storage issues, or hidden corruption. Make sure you completely uninstall the current launcher first, then download the latest version from Epic Games and install it on a healthy internal drive if possible. Once you've gone through these steps, try launching Epic Games again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem and get you back into your games. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.